Hey guys, I'm just going to show you how to change the background of the Meet the Teacher slideshow to your background, just so that way you have your school in the background of your Meet the Teacher night, so that way it's a little bit more personalized. So first of all, you have to find a stock image of your school. This is a stock image of my school from the internet. It's on their website, it's on the builder's website, it's just a stock image. I found it Googling my school. Since it's for personal use, it should be fine. Once you need to do is just find the picture of your school and then download it to your computer. Once you've downloaded it, you're going to go to background, choose image, and then you can upload it or you can have it already in your Google Drive. So I have it, I've downloaded it to my computer, so I'm going to hit browse for a file. And mine is in my pictures, so I'm going to go over here to pictures. And then I know the file name because I named it something easy to find. It's OH Stowe. I have the back of my school, but I also have the front of my school, so I'm going to do the OH Stowe, open, and then it will automatically change. So it was already my OH Stowe background, so it just changed, but if you notice, it kind of flashed and it will change your background. So that is how you personalize this for your school. If you want to change these backgrounds, all you have to do is come over here to background, choose image. I've done a lot of image search, so just look for wall and floor. And these are all the ones that are not copyrighted that you can use for your online Bitmoji classroom. So have a great day.